Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I got a brand new case. Okay, yeah, you can see them all. Making sure the camera's on. I got a brand new case of 12 Walgreens Mystery Minis. So the only time I've been through so many of these darn boxes, and there's a lot of cool characters in these, but the only time I have pulled Wile E. Coyote has been in a full case. Actually, yeah, let me rephrase that. Anytime I've pulled any exclusive, which the only one I've ever pulled is Wile E. Coyote, has been in a full case. Still want Pepe Le Pew, still need Roadrunner, but those are the characters there. So, this is a full case. So the chances of me getting a Walgreens exclusive is pretty darn good. So I just hope it's not the Coyote because I have him. I want Pepe Le Pew, or I'll take the Roadrunner. So I'm going to do an unboxing video. Don't want to keep you guys any longer, so let's jump right into it, man. Again, these are Walgreens exclusives. They're very rare out of probably... And I have a lot of Walgreens. You know, I live kind of close to a big city, Austin. I live 20 minutes from Austin, so for me, I live 20 minutes from Austin and like 45 minutes from San Antonio. So between San Antonio, all the cities in between, all the way going up to Austin, in Austin, I have at least 20 Targets, Walmart's everywhere, tons of Walmarts, 3 Hot Topics, let me rephrase that, 4 Hot Topics, 1 FYE, tons of GameStops, like tons, 2 Think Geeks, 1 Box Lunch, and a crap load of Walgreens. So, but out of all the Walgreens I go to, first one is Daffy Duck. Out of all the Walgreens I go to, most of them don't have these. When I say most of them, I'm going to say 95% or 96% probably don't have them. And if they have any, it's 2 or 3 boxes. Not enough to really do much with. So, we got, ooh, this is interesting. Not an exclusive, but I've never received a broken one before. But we got one-legged. we got the one-legged Huckleberry, and it's not one that just snaps on or off. It's actually just broken. So he is 100% trash. So got my trash can right there. He goes straight to the trash. There went $6 right there. Right to the trash can because he's broken. Imagine getting an exclusive and it being broken. Oh my lord. So these exclusives are, they're worth $100 if not more. Got Fred. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, these exclusives are worth about $100 each. The price was a lot higher before. They went down, but not a lot of people have owned them. So, I don't know why on PPG they've been down, but they're still valued pretty high. And so, got Martian there. Marvin the Martian. So Sean Ryan, if you're watching this video, I know you don't watch a lot of the videos. You've told me you only watch what you like. So if you're watching this video, comment below and I'll get with you, because I think there's some of these characters that you want, and so I don't mind sending them to you. Comment below. I'm showing you which characters are available. I already threw Huckleberry in the trash, so I'm not going to dig that one out. He's got 1 leg. But any non-exclusive, let me know, because these are a lot of repeats, and I have these already. I've sold some, and I've given some out too as well. So, Yogi Bear. And I mentioned Sean's name because he had mentioned that he wanted to get some of these. So I don't know if you have any, Sean, but if you're interested, I'll send you some. Just, again, let me know which ones you want. And everything I've shown you right now, you could just let me know in the comments below, and I'll send them to you. Got another Daffy Duck. Only got 5 more to go, guys. That's it. I'm already 3, 4, 5. Total 5 more to go. And we're done. So, got to get an exclusive in one of these. If not, it's going to be pretty sad because these were... I paid $80 for this case. 80. So, to walk away without an exclusive would be disastrous. Disastrous. But it has happened before. Bugs Bunny. So I got Yogi Bear, Bugs Bunny, Marvin, Fred, and Daffy. Those, and then I have a couple duplicates over there, but those would be the ones. Sean, if you want those, let me know below. Got 4 more left. Hopefully we get an exclusive. Again, it would be a damn shame if I didn't get one after spending $80 on a whole case. So this one feels like another Bugs Bunny. Yep. Felt the ears, but I had to be careful because Coyote has ears just like that. So another Bugs Bunny. And 3 more to go, guys. 3 more to go. And I got an exclusive. Alright, so I am looking because I have, at least I thought I had the Coyote near me, but I ended up getting one exclusive, a new one. I can't find it, but it's under my desk, but there he is. Awesome. Awesome, the Roadrunner. That is sick. So he stands up there on the box. How cool is that? So, I will price the Roadrunner for you, just so you guys know how much. I paid $80 for everything, to let you know. Obviously, each one of these characters are anywhere between $6 to $9. So, you know, yeah, so anyways. But some of them are worth a little bit more. Another Daffy there. Some of them are worth a little bit more, but not much more. I think I got this one. This one I'm keeping because it's the only one in my collection. Foghorn Leghorn. He's, I think, in double digits, like $20 or something. I got Tom and Jerry. Those are staying in my collection. Those are worth a little bit more, but let's see which this last one's going to be. Feels like probably another, yeah, another Yogi Bear. So, that's pretty cool. I didn't like the waiting period. So, meaning having to wait to get the exclusive somewhere towards the end. But right under my desk is where I keep a lot of, that doesn't sound right, right under my desk. But right under my desk I keep a plethora of mystery minis in boxes, in cases. So I do have the Wile E. Coyote. Just to show you, I do keep these. So I do have the Wile E. Coyote, and now I have the Roadrunner, and let me put that back. I shouldn't put that down. So, where the heck did the Roadrunner go? I just had him. Did I put him in a box? I'll find him. He's somewhere. I don't think I heard him fall. So, anyways, yep. So, I already have the Coyote. And, oh, there he is. I put him by my phone so I could get his PPG price. So, got 2 out of the 3. Still need my boy Pepe Le Pew. Pepe Le Pew, 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 pew. That was for Lady C. Trek Lady C. Pew, pew, pew. So let's check these out. Let me give you a rough price breakdown. And while PBG is pulling up, got Yogi Bear. Sean Ryan, you let me know which ones you want. If you want all of them, just say all. Yogi Bear, Fred Flintstone, Daffy Duck, Bugs. I don't want to show you duplicates. Marvin, The Martian, and the rest are duplicates. So if you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you want those 5, let me know. And I will send them your way at no cost. Because that's how we do it over here. All right. I put WB Minis and it's giving me cowboy crap. I don't give a crap about the Cowboys. Sorry, not a Cowboy fan. Not a Cowboy hater, but just not a fan. I'm going to type in Warner Bros. Mini. And let's see what pops up here. So that wraps up the video. If you guys want to know the price, stay a little bit longer. If not, you can cut off the video and have yourself a wonderful day. I'm just going to go through the prices real quick. So Yogi's worth $4. Marvin's worth $7. Bugs is worth $4. Daffy's worth $6. Fred is worth $6. Huckleberry is worth $7. I wonder if he's worth more because he's one-legged. Huckleberry's worth $7. Did I say 18? 10. Can't tell. He's worth 10. Tom is worth 7. There, I thought he was 20 something. He must have went down. He's worth 18. I don't have Dino. I know Pop Couple does. So Pop Couple has Dino. He's worth 21. Sylvester, I don't have him either. He's worth 38. He's a Target exclusive. I have not found Warner Brothers at Target either, but they are. You can get them at Target. There's Tweety. I'm at Target every day, every single day. Whether it's in the morning, after work, at lunch, I'm at Target every day looking. And then, of course, I need this one. This is probably, besides Pepe Le Pew, this is the one I'm after the most. Speedy Gonzalez. To this day, he's worth $65, guys. He's a 1 in 72. $65. And if you find these at Target, you shake the boxes. The one that weighs the least amount will be, I have a, here on my desk, I have Tom and Jerry. I have them right in front of me. Jerry's going to be the lightest, but so will that little cheese-loving I can't even freaking speak. So will that cheese-loving creature. Or critter's what I was going to say. Critter. Speedy Gonzalez. It's my favorite Funko Pop as well. Which is right here. Speedy Gonzalez. My favorite Funko Pop that I own. Yosemite Sam. That's a cool one. He's worth $48. That's a Toys R Us. We don't have Toys R Us here. So, don't know where you can get that one at. And then here's Boo Boo. Because you got Yogi Bear. And then there's Boo Boo. That's a 1 in 36. Alright, so says Coyote's at $65. With 81 owning him and 296 wanting him. That price is way too low. He was ranked at $200 before. It looks like Roadrunner dropped to $70. Again, these prices are wrong, in my opinion. Speedy Gonzalez. I'm sorry, Roadrunner's worth more than that, for sure. 85 owned, 289 want it. Quick Draw McGraw, worth $45. And I'm just going to get to my guy, Pepe Le Pew, stacked at 110, 1 in 72. So I'm going to compare this. So you have 80 compared to 300 for Coyote that own and want. And then you have 80 compared to almost 300 for Roadrunner. Both are worth 65 and 70. So then you go up to Speedy Gonzalez, who's a 1 in 72. This is why it doesn't make sense. Because I just said, I mean, right there, you can see it. He's worth $65. 81 own him, 296 want him. Roadrunner. And of course, these are people that register, right? But Roadrunner, and these could be fake numbers too, 85 own and 289 want him. But then when you compare it to my boy, Speedy Gonzalez, 65, he's priced at the same price point, but according to this, 200 own and 200 want. So less people want him and more people own him, but he's worth more money, and he's a 1 in 72. Doesn't make any sense. So the prices are all jacked up. It's really whatever people want to pay for it. But all I can say is, bam. He's worth 70 bucks. I paid 80. I definitely got more than $80 worth. You know, and these are the duplicates that I can keep and resell or whatever I'm going to do with them. And then I got these set of duplicates for Sean Ryan. If he's watching the video and he wants to get them, holler at your boy. That's it, guys. Tomorrow I'm doing a new, I'll give you a teaser, a real quick teaser. If you're still here 16 minutes into the video, then you get to see for the teaser. But tomorrow I'm doing a new thing, on my channel. Until these are out, it's just kind of like a little series. I'm going to call them Harry Potter Moments. Okay? And what they are is these brand new little Harry Potter collectibles. And there's 36 to collect. That is just a very small amount on the back because they can't fit all of them there. But the main one to collect is a flocked Hedwig and a gold Harry Potter. And you can see the gold one there. So, just to let you know, I bought 10 of these. They're $3 each, $2.99. I bought 10 of them. There's 36 to collect. I'm going to open them, and it's going to be called Harry Potter Moments. So, that's going to be the name of the video. I'm going to start doing those. I got 10 to start with, so it's 30 bucks I spent. Let's see which Harry Potter characters I got. I do have all of the ones that you can collect. I'm going to throw them up on the screen. That'll be on another video tomorrow. But just want to let you know that that's coming as well. And when I buy more, I'll do Harry Potter Moment Part 2, Harry Potter Moment Part 3, until I can't find any more or they sell out. But I just bought 10 today. They were just putting them on the shelf at Target today. So if you want to know where I got them at Target, and I'll be doing an unwrapping, unboxing video of those little tiny little minis tomorrow. You guys have a great day. Please be kind to one another. Show love and support to everyone in the community. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.